Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure you have admin access in Business Manager and the correct ad account selected so permissions won't block setup. Create a new pixel in Events Manager and give it a clear name. This helps later when you analyze data. Once done, choose your installation method. Manual code if you control the site, or partner integration for platforms like Shopify. Partner flows automate placement and reduce mistakes, so pick what matches your tech stack. You'll now install the base pixel snippet into your site header so every page can send page view data. Paste it immediately before the closing head tag. If you use a CMS, opt for a partner integration or Google Tag Manager to inject the code and simplify updates. Then implement standard events like purchase or lead, or define custom events for specific user actions. This ensures you capture the behaviors you care about for optimization and reporting. Finish by verifying the pixel is firing. Open the Facebook Pixel Helper or Events Manager and watch for page view and event hits in real time. Make sure to test conversion flows using the Test Events pane so you see parameters and values arrive correctly. If events don't appear, clear caches, ensure the snippet is in the header on published pages, and confirm the pixel ID matches. If issues persist, temporarily disable other tag managers to isolate conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.